In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Canva. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional resume ready to send to employers, all without needing any advanced design skills. First, open your browser and log into your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva home screen, look over to the left-hand side and find the Create button. Click that, and a pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a search bar. Type the word resume into the search bar. Canva will now show you different resume options with various sizes and orientations, like portrait or landscape. Choose the size and orientation that best fits what you need. When you click on your choice, Canva will open it inside the editor. Inside the editor, you'll notice that the templates panel is already open on the left side of the screen. For this tutorial, we'll use one of these built-in templates. At the top of the templates panel, there's another search field you can use if you want a particular style, such as modern, minimalist, or creative resumes. Take a moment to browse through the different options. When you find a design that matches your personal style and the type of job you're applying for, simply click on it. Canva will automatically place that template onto your main canvas in the center. Now it's time to customize the content. Click on any text in the template to edit it. Start by replacing the placeholder name and heading with your own details. Make sure your contact section includes your name, a professional email address, a phone number if you want to include one, your general location, and optional links such as your LinkedIn profile or portfolio website. At the top of the resume, add a short professional summary. This should be 2 to 3 lines that explain who you are, what you do, and the type of role you're targeting. Below that, list your key skills that are relevant to the job. Then move on to your work experience. For each role, include your job title, the company name, the dates you worked there, and a few brief, achievement-focused points that show the impact you had. After experience, add your education details and any certifications you hold. If you have projects or notable achievements that showcase your abilities, you can add a small section for those as well. Throughout, keep the layout clear and uncluttered. Aim for 1 page if possible, with enough spacing so everything is easy to scan. To add your photo, look again at the left-hand side and click on Uploads. In the Uploads panel, select Upload Files. This will open your computer's file browser. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, click on the image you want to use and confirm. Once it uploads, drag the image from the Uploads panel onto your resume. If the template already has a picture placeholder, drop your photo right into that area and Canva will automatically crop it to fit. When you're happy with the design and content, it's time to download your resume. Go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. In the file type options, select PDF. Canva usually offers different PDF presets, such as one optimized for printing or one designed for digital sharing. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the resume, adjust any additional settings if needed, and then click Download. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your computer. And that's it. You've just created a polished, professional resume in Canva, ready to share with potential employers.